Out of 25 lakh Neet 2024 candidates, only 2% of them are going to get the government medical college.
What?
Out of these 98%, there are 0.05% students who deserve the government medical college, but they don't get it. They studied very hard the full year. They gave the exam with full concentration. They got the required marks needed to get a government medical college, but still they do not make to the desired government medical college because of their own mistakes, because of the flaws that they commit, because of the mistakes that they commit during the counseling process. Some of them don't get the required documents to the counseling process, and they are not allowed for the counseling. The whole year of their hard work goes into waste.
Oh.
I don't want you to be one of them. For that, I made this video. Without ado, let us start the video. But if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. It gives me motivation to make the new videos for you. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Neet 2024 counseling list of documents required for the counseling, which is one of the most important, because if you are not ready with your documents yet, please make them fast, because at the last you get in hurry and you make the mistakes, and some documents you are not able to make in 1 or 2 days. So it's better now you have the time. On 14th June the result is going to come. Till that time, after some few weeks for counseling, you have that much time. It's better you make it before the result itself. So let me tell you what are the required documents. These are the requirement documents in almost all the states, and mainly for the all India quota students. In some states there are some particular state documents that are required, 1 or 2 documents you can see on the websites. So let me tell you what are the documents required. Number 1 is class 10th certificate and mark sheet. Next is class 12th certificate and mark sheet. Third is transfer certificate and the migration certificate from the last institute where you have studied. From there you have to bring the transfer certificate or the migration certificate. Then the gap certificate. If you have a drop of 1 year, 2 year or 3 year, as many years, you have to take the gap certificate. Category certificate, you belong to OBC, SC, ST, that certificate. You renew your OBC certificate. SC, ST certificate, that are the certificate which works. Then the Neet 2024 admit card. Take 2 to photocopies at least. Neet 2024 confirmation form. After you fill the form, you got a confirmation form. Then Neet 2024 scorecard, which is mandatory. Without that, nothing. There is no counseling procedure without the scorecard. Then 8 passport size photographs. The photographs which you have pasted in the admit card, which you took to the examination center, the same photographs which have the date and all, you make it the copy of them. 8 photographs you have to take. Then proof of identity, Aadhaar card or PAN card, whatever you have that you can take. Then for some states, like I told, their particular certificate. So for Telangana, for all India quota students, you have to take the equivalent certificate and the domicile certificate for the every state to take the 85% quota. If you want to take 85% quota, you have to have the domicile of your particular state. So these are the important 12 documents which every one of you should go and make them now before the result comes. Apply for them if you don't have them. If you have them, then it's very nice. Collect all of them and keep in your folder safely, so that in hurry, at last you are not displacing some of the certificates which are necessary. So this was the end of the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, take care.